How to share a contact on your iPhone. If you need to share a contact with someone, here's how to do it quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Contacts list. 1. Open the phone app. 2. At the bottom, tap on Contacts to view your saved contacts. Step 2. Select and share the contact. 1. Find the contact you want to share and tap on their name. 2. Scroll down and tap Share Contact. Step 3. Choose what to share. Before sending, you can select exactly which details to share, such as their name, phone number, email, address, or birthday. Just tap the fields you want to include, then hit Done. Step 4. Send the contact. After selecting the details, a share menu will pop up, allowing you to send the contact via text message, iMessage, or SMS, email, WhatsApp, Telegram, or other messaging apps. Choose your preferred method, send the contact, and the recipient will be able to save it easily. Hope this helps. If it did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really supports me. Thanks, everyone.